Make your belly into jelly. Try to loosen up as much as you can. Deep, deep breath. All the way out. Very good.
Oh. 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 Oh.
The crack all the way down.
Yep. Thank you.
Oh, look at that. He's actually kicking a lot better.
Yeah.
Remember when I was doing the exam, I couldn't find it. It wasn't doing it.
Yeah.
So, and this is why I do the test after. I see if it improved.
Yes.
Yours did improve.
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
I feel it.
Yep. Awesome.
Yeah, it is light. It's good.
Feels good? When's the last time you felt this loose?
Been a long time.
Been a long time.
Yeah, since 2016.
I believe.